learning about chart patterns. In this video, we will be learning about the cup with handle pattern. The cup with handle pattern occurs when the prices slowly go down and then they come up, similar like the rounding bottom pattern, but it does not break the neckline. Instead, it creates one more small uh, rounding bottom sort of pattern, making it look like a cup with a handle, hence the name cup with handle. And once the handle breaks the neckline, you buy the trade here, right? Your stop loss would be 4 to 5% of your capital, and your target would be as many points as the low of the cup with handle pattern to the neckline, as in it would move up that many points. We will look into an example. This is a chart of Siemens. If you can see here, as you can see, the cup with handle pattern year started at around 13 around 1320s, right? It went up to that level till the support, till the resistance level, and then it created a handle, and then it broke the resistance and it went up till 1700s, right? So this was cup with handle pattern. Next we will look at inverted cup with handle, which is the opposite of cup with handle. The prices start at a particular price, goes up slowly and then comes down again, just like the rounding top pattern, but it does not break the neckline. Instead, it goes up again a bit and then comes down, making a pattern that looks similar to a cup with handle, but that is inverted, right? So as soon as it breaks the neckline, the prices are supposed to go down as many points between the top of the inverted cup with handle and the neckline. That is, it would travel that many points down. Your stop loss can be 4 to 5% of your capital. We will look into an example for inverted cup with handle. This is a chart of HDFC Bank. If you can see here, there was a clear cup with handle. I'll mark it for you. This was the cup with handle pattern, and once it broke the pattern, the prices went from 1300s. The prices went up till 1300 and it broke the pattern at 1240, and it went down till 1180s. So this was the cup with handle and the inverted cup with handle pattern for you. I'll come back in the next video with more price patterns. Follow my Instagram handle that would be given here. Till then, keep watching. Take care. Cheers.